Greetings my friends, welcome back to another video. You know what time it is, Android here again, and the other day we traded with Nexus Vision, and it's only right that today we hit up Evo Trade algorithm. Today I would like to increase the time frame on Evo Trade and show you how you can trade using higher time frames, because in my opinion it's a more stable way to trade and a much easier way to secure your trades compared to 1 minute. And you know I normally trade at 1 minute, so I'm going to show you how to do it, what things to pay attention to, and of course we're going to try to make some money as usual using the tool. And if you would like to trade with any of my tools, you know we have plenty of them: Nexus Vision, we have Evo Trade, we have Binarix, Strategy X Pro. We have a whole bunch of tools that can suit any trading style, and we can help you pick it. You can find it on my website right here, by the way, and you can find the system that you like on my website. It's very easy, it's very accessible, it is available for everybody. You can find the link in the description below. All of my products are listed right here and which styles of trading they suit, so find whatever suits you and DM me on Telegram at @Android_pro, and I will give you access to that type of tool. And of course we also have one-on-one trading sessions, one-on-one tutorials, trade breakdowns, and much more. So don't hesitate, reach out to me. And now let's delve into the market and let's make some money. All right, so when you are trading, your first step is always going to be to find an asset. I recommend looking for real market. If real market doesn't look that great, I would suggest going to the OTC market. And the tool also has crypto, stocks, and commodities, so you have 5 different markets, but I would recommend really sticking it with real market or OTC market, especially if you're a beginner. Once you have that on lock, and unfortunately we do not have that on lock yet as the market is a little bit rough, we are going to be taking a look at the OTC market. So let's go ahead, scroll up, let's see if we have any of the assets that I'm interested in. Euro New Zealand dollar looks very smooth, right? We have a downtrend. This area right here doesn't really matter because it's been quite a bit of time already passed since then. So we are going to look for an entry on Euro New Zealand dollar, right? We have 91% payout. We have 5-minute candles set up, so we're going to be trading on 5-minute expiration time, and that's pretty much it. The next step is we evaluate the market. Is the market conditions are good? If the movement is good, if there's no choppiness, if there's no volatility spikes, we should be okay. And this looks like a good chart to perform the analysis on and actually get a good signal. The next step is we want to place our trade when the candle spawns. So we want to enter fresh candle. Right now we're dead in the middle of a 5-minute candle, so right now getting an analysis would not be the best time. You usually want to wait for the candle to close, fresh candle to be just spawning, maybe a couple of seconds, 10-15 seconds, not more than that, and then you place your trade. So we have time to wait, and I want to bring us to the most important point, which is how much money you want to place per trade. The higher your time frame goes, the higher your expiration time goes, you want to increase your amount by a little bit. So if on 1 minute normally you would place 1%, 2%, 3%, sometimes maybe go to 5% in an instance of an amazing market and situation. On 5 minutes and higher, you would go up to 8% because it's a longer signal. It's going to be a more accurate signal. The situation is going to be more stable, and the analysis is going to be way cleaner done by the tool, because 1 minute is extremely volatile. 1 minute and less than that. Starting up from 2 minutes to 3 minutes and higher, you get much more cleaner signals. Every single tool does that. It's just normal for the market to have more stability the higher the time frame is. So we're going to go on Euro New Zealand dollar, right? And we're going to wait for this candle to be like 25 seconds or something before we hit the get the signal button. So we are all set, we have everything in line, and this is another thing that you want to do. You have to prepare before every single signal. You have to be ready to place your trades. You have to make sure that your amount is intact, that everything is according to your rule set and the way you trade, and after that get the analysis. Don't just go in, press a few buttons, get the signal. It might work sometimes, but you want to get as many things under control as you can, right? So entering on a fresh candle, adjusting your amount, making sure the market is okay, those things will matter a lot. And definitely gonna make a difference if you are looking to trade and make solid money every single day. So we are all ready. We're gonna go for 5 minutes here. It's 20 seconds left on the candle and we start the analysis. It's probably gonna take a little bit of time. The higher the time frame, it takes a little bit longer for the robot to perform the analysis, because it will adjust the settings of the indicators that it uses. It will change the settings to 5 minutes, so it's an accurate analysis, etc. So we have our signal maybe in 5 to 10 seconds, but like I said, 10-15 seconds is completely fine. And here we are, we have our analysis. So I'm going to place 3,000, 4,000, and now I'm going to wait. I still have 6,000 left here, and I'm going to place another 1,000 here, and now I'm just going to sit on this. I think this is a pretty good entry. My quota for the day is usually 4,000 to 5,000 to 6,000, and this will cover my entire trading session. I don't want to go overboard, and we have the analysis as well. CCI crosses below the -100 level, confirming bearish momentum. We have a strong bearish candle here closing. We have rejection on the previous candle, so this is a pretty solid basis to place a big trade and get a little bit of money for yourself. And again, you can see that the tool actually adjusts what type of candles it's using for analysis. Right here we have a graph, a chart, so you have everything that's needed to make money. All you need to do is make sure that you control the things that are under your control, and the tool will do the rest of the work for you. So try this tool out. Now let's wait. We have 4 minutes to go on this signal, and let's see if we're able to secure some solid profit on this trade. And just like that, guys, look at that. This is the type of signal you get when you are precise, when you enter at the right time, when you time the market, when you actually evaluate everything and place a nice calculated entry. We get all the profit here, boom, just like that. It's coming in real nice and easy, and in literally one trade we close our daily quota and get to 15k from 10k. So we are almost making 5k right there, and I'm done. I don't have to place any more trades. This is more than enough. I executed this perfectly. The robot gave a clean entry. So the way you trade with your tools is going to depend on a lot of things, and I've said that multiple times. The success and the accuracy of the signal doesn't only depend on the tool, it depends on how you use it and when you are getting the analysis. So make sure to evaluate the market, make sure to look at the timing when you are entering on a fresh candle to get the best results possible. And trust me, these tools will make a big difference in your day-to-day trading. So if you would like to trade with this tool, make sure to check out my trading group or send me a message on Telegram at ntrade_pro. We trade every single day from Monday to Sunday. We have trading sessions, one-on-one trading sessions if you would like to have a private coaching. We have daily tutorials, trade breakdowns, strategies. We have tools for any sort of market, and we have much more content coming your way. We also streaming on TikTok, so you should check that out. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And as always, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.